one of the main things I was really interested to see was their new FreeBuds. Personally, I've been loving my Pixel Buds when I go biking, etc. And I've always shied away from something that has these no connecting things. I don't know how they would stay well in, especially if I go biking or jogging. But interesting. So I'm just going to do a quick unboxing of this before I get into anything else with a review. Let me just get something to open up the plastic and see what's inside. I don't know if you guys can hear in the background, there's my 3D printer going. I am experimenting with some of the PPE stuff for people that may need it as we go along. So it's doing a long print, so it's my little work area is tiny. So anyways, here's the box. Open it up. Oh, it's got to slide out. Oh, slides out that way. There we go. Right there. Very nice packaging. And that's a really cool kind of small case for it. Much like the Pixel Bud case, I really like it's very similar in style. It's small, easy to take with you. And I guess we just take that off. Put that back in there. And we take this off. And that should allow us to get into this. Ooh, there we go. Before we get into that, let's see what's also in here. This is probably just the cables. What else is in here? QR code to get the Life app to set up the earbuds. And I bet you that brings you to their app gallery. I guess that's what it means. Because they don't use the Play Store. Or I wonder if I could use it in other ones. And then just manuals, etc. We don't need manuals. Okay, put that back in there. The box that this came in, this guy has... Come on, where do you open it up? Here we go. And yeah, just USB-C to USB-A connector to plug in and charge. And that's a pretty long cable they give you there. That's pretty nice. Put that back here, put that back there, and let's take these guys out. So, standard, you plug this in to charge, I guess there, and that'll charge these guys up. And then these guys would have a certain amount of time as well. And, you know, tapping them would be allowed to have the thing. So, that's kind of nice. That's magnetic cleaning. No cable to wrap around in it. So, very similar to the... Now, do they tell you which one? This is my right one. I'm going to put that in my right ear. That's not too bad. A fit. You can't see it, but I'll have better videos later on. So, yeah. Anyways, I will play around with these and let you guys know what I think after a little while. If you have any questions, let me know. Well, that's kind of nice how you really can't get them put in the wrong way because they won't go in. But a little magnet drops it in the right spot and you're done. Like, super simple. Okay, thanks everybody. We'll talk to you soon.